Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up a very quick account on Padlet. You're going to log on to padlet.com, and then here you're going to see the sign up for free icon. Click on it. You can select a Gmail account that's already loaded into your Chrome browser, but if you want to just enter in your information here, this is just how simple it is. You click on sign up. After you enter in a username and password, you can also opt to save it so it's embedded in your browser. And you're just going to select the free account. And now I'm into Padlet. There's another way that you can do this. You can join a Padlet this way. I will give you the actual URL so you can join my Padlet. Or the other end is when you're in Canvas, you can also, I'll show you how to do this real quick. When you're also in Canvas, what you can do is go on here and leave student view here. You can go to our class, and after that loads up, I'm going to go to student view so you can kind of see what this looks like. If you're logged on, click on modules, scroll down to week 3 where you see book tasting number 1, fantasy comics, and then from there you can click the link to get in. So what you could do is you could log in this way. Up here, if I had not signed in, and I can log out and you can see what this looks like, you can actually access signing up for a Padlet account here. So if I were to click on sign up, after I get into our Canvas course, it will take you to the same sign up screen so you can create your account through Padlet. I encourage you to use the Gmail account that I had you create a couple of days ago in class. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.